On this great takeover day, we'll have emeralds on a tray, servants granting every wish, bringing our favorite dish. On this great takeover day, throw your pencils and books away. Give them to your brother Gus. No more homework for us. No more scrubbing up, no more rubbing up for our mamas and pa's. They can't tame us now, we'll be famous now when we conquer Oz. On this great takeover day, snap your fingers and they'll obey. Fame and